Hey y'all, welcome back. It's Kinah here. Today I'm going to be unboxing the February 2022 Oso Paper Co. Mini Friends monthly subscription. If you're interested, y'all, I'm so excited for this box because, baby, you'll see. If you're interested in seeing what's in here, go ahead and stay tuned. Alright, y'all. Y'all, the pinks, the greens, they just do something to me. Enough said. Okay, we got everything out of this cute little envelope. It does say Oso Paper Co. down here. Love it. And I'm gonna bust this washi open first, okay? Because it's on top and I need to see it. So let's get it open. Ooh, hollow foil. Okay. Alright, so I see some leopard print. Y'all know you can never ever go wrong with leopard print. And ombre. Oh no! How dare you? So disrespectful. Okay, so y'all can get a good idea of what the washi looks like. So rude, yo. Alright, y'all. Let me stop. I'm just doing the most now. Y'all, this washi is pretty. So here is the washi in this month's kit. And then let's get a good look at the magnet. Y'all, look at the ladies. They are ready for the month of love. So cute. Look at this. Sis finna go dancing somewhere. Sis finna go dancing somewhere. Look at her. Ooh, I love it. Okay. Next, we have our sticker of the month. It's on different paper. I like it. Me like it. Sticker of the month. And then we've got these two cards. Ooh, I feel some texture. Oh my goodness. Y'all, look at that. That is beautiful. I'm not a fan of hollow. That is absolutely adorable. Okay, we've got love. And then we've got good vibes. Okay. Sis came to slay. Play with her. Play with her, baby. What's her name? Ooh, that's pretty, y'all. Okay, Danielle. We see you. We see you. We see you, okay? Coming for your coins. Coming soon. Okay, so then we have these, looks like clings for a dry erase board or a window. I love these. I'm probably going to use these on my dry erase board on my refrigerator. Cute, cute, cute. Last but not least, y'all, this is what I could not wait to get into. This sticker pack, baby. I'm loving that all of these shops are revamping their stickers so that they are useful to the customer. So we have Miss Raquel. Look at Miss Raquel, y'all. I love that dress. I need to find one for myself. And we have Miss Ann. We have Aubrey. That's her name. Aubrey is the lady of the month, okay? And Miss Tiana. Okay, Tiana, with your braids. Y'all, look at Nisha. Nisha came to slay, not play, okay? Look. She's so freaking cute. And Nakia, baby, you better give us some Erykah Badu vibes. Yes, honey. Okay, so these are in the Oso Paper Co. famous high quality paper. Not saying the rest of these are not high quality. Y'all don't start no ish. So this is white matte paper. These were intentionally changed so that you can write on them with a regular pen. So we've got some habit trackers. We've got a long box sticker. We've got some little skinny round oval boxes. March 1st is Women's History, the month of March. World Compliment Day is March 14th. Daylight Savings Time begins March 17th. And then this is backwards. Okay, so World Compliment Day is March 1st. Daylight Savings Time is March 14th. And St. Patrick's Day is March 17th. Okay. Then we have these little cute little boxes. And we've got some checklists. Next, we have not one, not two, but 3 sets of date covers. Isn't that cute, y'all? And look at Miss Zoe down here flicking it up. Getting all the flicks, baby. ready. And we have our deco sheet. We got the ladies hanging out, checking herself out. It says sisters, in sisters we trust, y'all. That sticker is so cute. And then we got the group photo, manicures, lotion. We got some swashes, y'all. Super cute. Little candle and wine up here. And then we have 2 weekend banners and these circle stickers. Oh my god, that is stunning. The color scheme is everything. It's just given. We've got 6 full boxes, 3 half boxes, and 9 headers. They do have, or some of them do have, the hollow foil on them. And then we have note to self, bill due, payday, tidy up, self-care. We've got some flags, we've got some arrows, and we have the headshots of our lovely ladies. Oh my goodness. Look at these boxes, y'all. What am I gonna do with this? I do not know. And then we have, are these clear? Let me see. No, these are back to the vinyl paper. Are you gonna peel for me? No, you did not. No, you did not. My sheet will not even peel. Oh, fix it, Lord. None of my stickers will peel. Well, that one did. Oh, the rest of them won't. Okay, no worries. I'll reach out the Oso Paper Co. and they will fix it. But we have our icons. Y'all, 10-page sticker pack. Just the sticker pack alone is worth the it's $27.99 cost now. Worth it. I'll gladly pay it. So, y'all, listen. Baby, get you a Mini Friends subscription yesterday. Do it. And if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.